Hello, and welcome to another update video about Gala. Yeah, Gala's chart is still hanging in there, still holding support. This is the support area we've been watching for more than a month. It's between 2.87 cents and 3.37 cents. And it's these Fibonacci levels are located here. It's the 61.8 and the 50% retracement. And it is important, this support area, because any break below the 61.8 retracement, it would be too deep for a wave 4. I mean, at the moment, the thesis is that the fourth wave already bottomed on the 20th of December, right? That's the idea. And then this was potentially a 1-2 setup. Now, on some charts, this swing low here broke below the 20th of December low. Gala is holding it. So maybe one of the stronger ones in the very short term, but it doesn't make a great difference. What is more important is that we're holding the 2.87 cent level. But as long as we're holding that swing low from yesterday, which formed here around 3.02 cents, this microstructure is valid. Now, I don't really have a lot of confidence in this microstructure, but it is technically possible to say that this is a 1-2 setup. The wave 2 bottomed yesterday. We could start the third wave now, and it would be a 5-wave move in itself. And then we get another 4-5 pattern. We'll see, because this would be an A wave, right? Because we're dealing with a larger diagonal. So I'm not sure if in this move up we get 5 waves or 3 waves. It's definitely going to be a mess. Prepare for changing wave counts on the micro level. But zooming into the micro, what we want is really that the price breaks above the last swing high. Because so from a micro point of view, we could say this here is an ABC structure to the downside, which formed in this wave 2, and a wave 2 possibly unfolded as a flat correction here with an overshooting B wave. You can see C wave has 5 waves. And what is important is that the price breaks above the green line, which is at around 3.7 cents. Now, what could happen, I mean, you might see that actually if I move it a little bit to the left, this line, you see it a little bit better. This looks a little bit like a, well, 1/2 of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we could say maybe, this was the left shoulder. Maybe this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So I'm not too confident about it because sometimes these break out directly, but there is a good chance, I think, that we get a bit of a pullback there, which could form a higher low, find support in this region around the 3.27 cent level here. So this could be our wave 2 pullback, forming a higher low, but it's basically the right shoulder, and then we break out. Now, I don't normally use these patterns because Elliott wave gives us already all the context we need, but that is what I'm watching for. Any direct break above the green line might take us directly, to that next swing high around 4.4 cents. But from an Elliott wave point of view, it would actually look best to get a pullback at some point in a wave 2, to then be the start or to represent the start of a third wave rally next. So overall, I'm still watching for higher prices on the Gala chart in the short term. The overall time frame or overall chart isn't that great, though. I'm considering only one more high in this ABC structure here. So wave 5 would be that one more high of wave C of a wave 2 corrective rally. Next upside target overall, when we zoom out, is this area here, highlighted in red, this box. It's around 9 to 10 cents. This needs to be reached next. This is where the 100% extension target is located for this move to the upside. It can definitely extend higher, but let's get it, let's see let's see how the market does react when we get there. And overall upside extensions are of course possible to, for example, 15 cents, 20 cents. These are definitely reasonable upside extensions. But for now, I think the first target, and we take it level by level with a chart like that overall doesn't look that great. So that next high is expected to be a major top, okay? A substantial top. So that is what we're tracking. And because it's expected to be a major top, just please manage your risk as we go higher. Okay, that's the update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.